Hello beauties, so today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful hairstyle. Stay tuned. Hello dear, welcome. It's been a while. So today I'll be showing you how to make this towel that you just saw. This is my hair, it's dirty with a lot of product and build-up. So I just went ahead to part my hair in the front, just as you see me do. This is a really simple hairstyle. You can do it under minutes. It doesn't take time. After that, I just did this little combing and then divided that part into two. I was just weighing the parts to see if it's okay. I went ahead to brush my hair and then proceeded to twisting. After twisting this part, I went ahead to twist the other side. Yeah, do not forget brushing. Meanwhile, my hair is already moisturized. It is not dry, so that was why I was able to brush my hair without spraying anything on it. Now I'm spraying water on my hair to make it even more softer. Went again with my brush to brush the edges. So I went with my shoelace to tie my hair. Actually, this is not a shoelace, this is my trouser lace. Yeah, you have to make do with what you have, okay? Just did a simple bun tying. As you can see, my hair is already shrunken, so it looks very short. I promise you it's not short. So I just went in with my tail comb again to comb the edges and the surroundings. Went ahead to pull my hair out because it was too shrunken, and I fluffed it using my afro comb to give it more volume. Here you go. Now that's my girl. That's my hair. I'm feeling it. I just tap to give it a good shape. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. I took my time. I was careful with this because I don't want the pattern that the twist is meant to form to lose. So here, I was happy with the twist, but it felt too scanty, and guess what? The pattern started going away, and now I decided to separate the twist out to give it more volume and more beauty. That was the aim. My fingers were crossed on this because twist outs, especially twist outs that are done between seconds, it doesn't always come out good, but it's tried. Yeah, my mom was at the side hailing me telling me my hair's good, so yeah, she gave me the courage, and yeah, that's me feeling myself. The style is done. This is the side, the front, the other side, the top, yeah. And then the back. Thank you for watching it, and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.